Hey there, enthusiasts and chainsaw aficionados. Welcome back to our channel where we explore the best tools and equipment for your home projects. In today's video, we have something special in store for you. We're going to unravel the mystery behind the top 5 chainsaws available on the market. Get ready to be surprised and discover these incredible chainsaws that will revolutionize your cutting experience. I mentioned all product links in the description box. Let's dive right into the top 5 lists. Number 1. Joe Electric Convertible Chainsaw. This electric convertible chainsaw is a versatile and user-friendly tool designed for home use. This electric chainsaw features a powerful 8-amp motor that delivers consistent cutting performance. With its 10-inch bar and chain, it is ideal for small to medium-sized cutting tasks, such as pruning branches or trimming trees. One of the standout features of the Joe is its convertible design. It can be quickly transformed from a chainsaw into a pole saw, allowing you to reach higher branches with ease. The telescoping pole extends up to 8.8 feet, providing you with ample reach and eliminating the need for a ladder. What we like about it: convertible design for both chainsaw and pole saw functionality. Powerful motor for efficient cutting performance. What we don't like about it: may not be suitable for heavy-duty cutting tasks. Number 2. Mini Cordless Chainsaw 6-inch. If you're in search of a cordless chainsaw that offers both power and convenience, the Chainsaw Cordless Upgraded Lightweight Powerful is worth considering. This upgraded version features a high-capacity 21-volt lithium-ion battery that provides longer run times and consistent cutting power. With its 12-inch Oregon bar and chain, this chainsaw is capable of handling a wide range of cutting tasks around the home. From pruning trees to cutting firewood, it offers versatility and ease of use. The lightweight design and ergonomic handle make it comfortable to operate, reducing fatigue during extended use. What we like about it: cordless design for maximum mobility and convenience. Lightweight and ergonomic for comfortable operation. What we don't like about it: battery life may not be sufficient for prolonged cutting sessions. Number 3. Husqvarna 455 Rancher Gas Chainsaw. This chainsaw is a powerful and reliable tool designed for heavy-duty cutting tasks. With its robust 55.5cc engine, this chainsaw delivers exceptional cutting performance and can tackle demanding jobs with ease. It features a 20-inch bar and chain, making it suitable for large trees and extensive woodcutting projects. Built with durability in mind, the Husqvarna 455 Rancher boasts a rugged construction and high-quality components. It incorporates Husqvarna's X-Torque engine technology, which reduces fuel consumption and emissions while increasing power output. This gas-powered chainsaw is an excellent choice for professional use or homeowners who require a high-performance tool. What we like about it: powerful engine for heavy-duty cutting tasks. Durable construction and high-quality components. What we don't like about it: gas-powered, requiring fuel mixing and regular maintenance. Number 4. BOSCH Cordless Mini Chainsaw Electric Rechargeable Gardening. The cordless chainsaw electric rechargeable gardening tool is a convenient and eco-friendly option for homeowners. This cordless chainsaw is powered by a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, eliminating the need for gas or cords. With a 10-inch bar and chain, it is suitable for light to moderate cutting tasks around the home. This chainsaw features a tool-free chain tensioning system, allowing for quick and easy adjustments on the go. The lightweight design and comfortable grip make it easy to maneuver and control. Additionally, the low noise and zero-emission operation make it an environmentally friendly choice. What we like about it: cordless and rechargeable for hassle-free operation. Lightweight and easy to handle. What we don't like about it: battery life may limit continuous cutting time. Number 5. Oregon Cordless 16-inch Self-Sharpening Chainsaw. This chainsaw combines power, convenience, and innovative features to deliver a top-notch cutting experience. This cordless chainsaw is equipped with a 16-inch bar and chain, making it suitable for a variety of cutting tasks, from pruning to felling medium-sized trees. One of the standout features of this chainsaw is its self-sharpening system. The built-in PowerSharp technology allows you to sharpen the chain on the saw itself in a matter of seconds, ensuring optimal cutting performance at all times. The brushless motor provides high torque and efficiency while reducing noise and vibration. What we like about it: self-sharpening system for easy maintenance. Powerful brushless motor for efficient cutting. What we don't like about it: battery and charger are sold separately. Thank you for watching my video. If you found it helpful, be sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you never miss any of my daily videos. If you're looking for more information or want to know the price of a particular product, check out the description box below. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Remember, life is short, so why not make it easier with cool products?